Bugama Central Forest Reserve in Chikobe district, originally gazetted with 41,144 hectares, has suffered significant degradation. Over time, individuals and companies have encroached on the forest, some claiming ownership with land titles, leading to over 40% depletion due to activities like timber harvesting, charcoal burning and farming.
Yeah, we feel concerned really when we see people trying to enter into the forest by way of depleting it. It is really very bad. I want to remind the people of Chikuba and Uganda as well that we have seen areas being washed away by floods like Kasese. We have seen areas being taken away by water, including Bududa, and these areas are not very far from Chikube district.
We really encourage governments and communities and everyone to recognize that Bugama is here, the forest is here, the chimpanzees are here, there's something worth protecting.
In response, the National Forest Authority revealed that the President has issued a directive requiring all claimants to produce land titles dating back to before 1932, when the reserve was gazetted.
And indeed, our President, General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, has also written to some people asking when they acquired their land titles. If it was before 1932, then they should come out clear. At least I've seen some document like that. So they should be ready to answer and also prove that they were genuinely offered these land titles here.
The directive also calls for the arrest of anyone involved in tree cutting, regardless of political affiliation.
To reaffirm that whoever intends to do illegalities in this forest will be cracked down by the law. Because now even the head of state, the entities like the Ministry of Water and Environment, National Forest Authority and NEMA are deeply concerned. And it's going to be the next campaign headline in this 2026 campaign.
Addressing criticism that the NFA is inactive, the authority stated that efforts are underway to demarcate the full 41,144 hectares of the reserve.
We have also, as a National Forest Authority, written to the Ministry of Lands to come and explore the boundaries of 41,144 hectares on which Bugama Central Forest Reserve lies. Now, after mapping out that and showing us the clear demarcations, all these other conflicts of people claiming ownership within forest land will be cleared.
Stakeholders emphasize that the forest must be reclaimed and preserved due to its crucial role in rain formation, wildlife habitat and ecotourism potential.
We have seen even having changes in the climate. You see, instead of receiving rain when it is in March, we receive rain when it is almost getting to May, and that is a very dangerous thing.
Efforts are underway to stop, first of all, the degradation, then also increase restoration in Bugama Forest, because it has unique features like the mangabi monkey, which is found here in Bugama and Mabira Forest.
The NFA added that in the past 3 years, 2,500 hectares have been restored, with a national goal to increase forest cover to 24% by 2040.
We are fortunate that the National Development Plan 4 calls for increase in forest cover and also number of trees in Uganda. And this is one of the biggest 5 forests in Uganda. If I'm not mistaken, it is the second biggest forest in Uganda. So efforts are underway to stop, first of all, the degradation, then also increase restoration in Bugama Forest, because it has unique features like the mangabi monkey, which is found here in Bugama and Mabira Forest, and other species, flora and fauna. So we are bent on protecting Bugama Central Forest Reserve, reducing further degradation. Recently we've received funding from the government of Uganda to increase deployment within Bugama Central Forest Reserve.